I have here a sample, and I have apparently approved your bridge, and I just want to show you how to go ahead and build it instead of using the perf inserts that we have. So here's my bridge here, and I've got my lines, and what I want to do first is I want to build the perimeter of the bridge. So to do that, you have 20 pieces of wood that you're going to use, and the first thing I'm going to do is I want to use some masking tape, and I'm just going to tape the four corners of my bridge down. And I'll do this corner over here, and I will do this corner over here like this on the top, and I will also do this corner up here. Now, here's the next thing I want to do. You have a piece of wax paper, and what you want to do with the wax paper, because nothing will stick to wax paper, so now what I'm going to do is take the wax paper, place it over the top of my bridge like this. And I'm actually going to build a bridge on my wax paper. So now I want to take and tape down the four corners of my wax paper that I've got here. Put another one over here, and we have one over here. Try to move that so you can see it. And the last one down here. So now I'm going to build my bridge on here. And what I want to do first is I want to take one of my pieces of wood, and I'll pull it out here. I've got 20 pieces, each 1 foot. So I've got my pieces of wood. So what I want to do is I want to put it onto my bridge, and I want to try and cut the angle, and I'll use a pencil here to just cut the angle here. And what I'll do is put this into the chopper that I have, and I'll try and match my angle up as best I can. And then what I want to do is come to the other side, and I want to try and match my angle up with the line that's underneath. And then I will come over here again, and I will cut that. Now, once I've done that, what I want to do is this. I just want to take a piece of tape, and I want to just tape down, just want to tape my wood down to the wax paper. So I've got that. So now what I want to do is take another piece of wood, which I've got it right here, and I want to try and measure this and match the angle that I have over here. So what I want to do is, here's my angle, so I want to just try and match that one. So I make a little line here going across, and I can put this in the chopping, in the wood cutter, and then I want to come up to the top, make another line right here. Then I take my wood cutter again, place that into the wood cutter, and I'm going to cut that off so it matches my line. And then I'm going to take that piece, I'm going to hold it down with a piece of tape as well. Okay, so now I want to hold that down with a piece of tape as well. Once that's held down like that, here's what I want to do. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of white glue, of the glue that you have, and squeeze it right in there, and that's it. You're going to continue and do the rest of the bridge the same way. I'll try and get a close look there for you. So you're going to do the whole bridge, the rest of the bridge the same way. You know, I would go ahead and do the perimeter first, which is the outside of the bridge, and then I'd fill in the other sticks. But this is a whole lot easier than what the computer is telling you to do with the perf inserts. If you have any questions, you can always ask me.